In this video, I am going to talk about AI. In the last few months, we've all seen how software development is changing because of it, because of AI agents, because of the way we are using them, the way we used to use them, and every day there is a new update. There are so many things people talking about. And I think as a software developer who has like 5 or 6 years of experience and someone who has seen a lot about how the development should be based on what it was like before COVID era, I feel that something is not the way it should be. Because I've been thinking a lot about starting a new project, having an idea and trying to make it, trying to just build it. And usually when I have an idea, I try to build it in a way that I can also learn through the way. And I just don't want to see the end result. If I wanted to do that, I wouldn't become a developer. I would just raise some money and pay some developers to do it for me. I became a developer to learn, experience, and have the taste of a good software engineer. But now, all of it seems useless. Don't get me wrong here. I'm not saying that software developers are going to be replaced by AI. I don't believe in that. But the thing is that, for example, I think it was last month or something, and I had a task at my job, and my boss told me that do it fast. I said, okay, I'm gonna do it, and it will take like 1 or 2 days to get done. And he said, no, I want it faster. I want it sooner. And I said, okay, if you want it faster, I can do it in a half of a day using Claude Code and just prompting it and just not reading the code and just vibe code it. And he said, fine. And I was shocked because he is someone who cares a lot about the code quality. And when he says, okay, use AI and I don't care about that, it means that something is definitely changed. And I'll let you know what is actually different from the past. The thing is that before, when we used to write the code manually, the cost of changing the software, the cost of refactoring, doing technical depth was super high because we usually wanted to do the new features. We didn't want to go back to the previous features already developed and try to fix them, try to debug them. But now, with the help of AI, it's just fast. It just goes through the text, and the code is a text. So it just opens it, it just reads it, and it changes it. Let's say that you have a website and you want to do the redesign. You can just do it with AI because the redesign is something that you're not sure if you are going to accept it for a long time or you want to just revert the changes. So it's better to let AI do it. And if you even don't like it, you want to do another redesign, you just let AI do it again. And the thing is that AI is reducing the cost of change. And this is only one area that AI is somehow ruining the passion for me at my job. But there are so many other things as well because it's just faster. It's just easier to get things done with than me, who has to think about different things that may be problematic for the other developers. For the whole project, I should think about the architecture. I should think about the technologies that I'm gonna use, the way that the backend and the front end are communicating with each other and everything. But AI is just doing it in one shot. We've all heard that people are just one-shotting games right now, video games. Of course, they are not at the same quality as the AAA games, but at least it's playable, and you can see the end result to have an idea of whether you like it or not. And this is something that is not satisfying for me, at least, doing, because I used to write the code, I used to think about the problem, I used to search for the solution, and coming up with my own solution was something that felt so good. I felt that I am smart enough, I am good enough, I am bringing the value to the company and the project. And it was what was helping me to follow this journey, to go through to the next task and the next task and learn more and more. But now I'm just prompting basically, and I know that I think most of you are doing the same thing and you're not satisfied with your job. And this is something that most environments want you to do. So I was just thinking about it, and I wanted to share this with you to know what you think about it. Do you think that there's a way out of this situation, this whole thing that is ruining our mental health, let's say? Because it's not fun anymore. It's just not fun. And I'm kind of done with it. I just don't want to spend more time with AI. Now in Italy, I live in Italy, and here in August, we don't work that much. So when I go back to work, starting fresh, I think I'm not going to use AI agents anymore. So I think I will be doing the chatting stuffs with AI, because now even Stack Overflow is not good anymore. I was searching for something and I couldn't find it on Stack Overflow because it was old and all the data is for 2 years ago. And if you come up with some new bugs, you can't find any answers. And that's another issue, because AI models are being trained on those data. So now that there is no data, I don't know how they're going to learn how to fix those bugs, because we know that the AI is not actually smart. It's just trained on different data. And when there is no data, the model will be stupid. So it's going to get harder, I think. Anyways, I'm so sorry because I didn't have any scripts for this video. I just wanted to sit and talk, and I will be glad to know your opinion as well. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening to me. And I will try to post more videos about this, so eventually we can find some way out of it. Bye-bye.